Good morning, viewers. Welcome to another class. And in this class, we'll be looking at research design because we are done with literature review in our last class. So in this class, we'll be looking at research design, which is under methodology, because I discovered that students also find it quite challenging. Some of them even often mistake research method as research design. You see, there's a clear difference between research design and research method. Now, when we talk of research design is a planned approach to answer the research question, while research method is the strategy to implement that plan. For example, if you are building a house, the first thing you need to do is you need a plan. You need to have a plan of the house. How is the structure going to look like? So after getting the plan, that is when you start looking at how you are going to raise the structure. How many bedroom flat are you going to build? Is it 2? Is it so you are going to start seeing how are you going to start building or lay the foundation. At this point, you are done with the plan, is to make sure that the structure will stand now. So also in research, when we talk of research design, it's a planned approach. While when we talk of research method, is the strategy to implement that plan. And when we talk of research design entails the traditional approach, which could almost be taken from the world view. And when we talk of the world view, basically we have 4 world view. 1, we have positivist. 2, we have constructivism. 3, we have transformative. And 4, we have pragmatism. So if you are going to establish your research design, each method you are going to adopt is going to come from these 4 worldview. For example, if you are going to conduct a survey, now what informed the choice of survey is because of the positivist. Now let me explain them. When we talk of the positivist approach of research design, it is an approach or it is a worldview that subscribes or believes in quantitative methods. This worldview is also called scientific method. It is also called empirical research. They believe purely in quantitative methods, which has to do with statistical application. It has to do with numerical figures. So they believe in purely scientific procedures. So if you're conducting survey, for example, you can say that the research design is taken from the positivist worldview or research design, which inform the choice of survey. Now the second one is the constructivism, or which is also called interpretativism or interpretative. So you can also draw your research design from the constructivism or the constructivist worldview. And constructivism they believe in qualitative method. They believe in qualitative method in the sense that they believe in human interpretation of issues, human understanding, human opinion, people's ideas, views on a particular subject matter, how people interpret meaning into issues. So they are interested in looking at such opinions from people, from individuals. And most of the questions that comes on board in this context